Good morning, YMCA family. It's Jackie here, live from my patio. Guys, it's pouring out. It's pouring out, but I am here, and you guys are tuning in. Thank you for doing that. Gina is watching. I can always count on Gina. I'm Kim. You two are my next flat people. So I wanted to start out today by saying, my flat friends do not like the rainy weather. My flat friends were shriveling up when I brought them out here today. So I let them have a break. I let them have the day off for today. And I figured instead of bringing my flat friends out, we would do a quick promotion about our April Animal Madness. Now, have you guys heard about this? If you have your kids around, maybe bring them into the screen real quick, because I just want to touch on this real quick while people are tuning in. So this April Animal Madness is amazing. This is my bracket. I know it's hard for you guys to see it because it printed out so tiny. But listen, I've already lost. I had the winner as the chinchilla. Guys, that's such a funny word, the chinchilla. And I think the chinchilla may be out already. You know, it was a sad day, but you know, the poor chinchilla. This can all be found, all the videos of the animals, the brackets, everything's out there on our Facebook page and our website. Go ahead and check it out. And for our little kid friends, I thought this little guy would be funny. He's gonna sing. He's gonna do a little song. There we go. Oh. Then that's how he ends. That's how he ends his song. And then I brought Chewy's little friend, the little squirrely squirrel. So there are all different kind of animals in our Madness Challenge. So if you're missing sports, it gives you something. It gives you something to vote on. You like the little icon, whether it's a heart or a face or whatever they have going on as a choice that week. So check that out. It's my little shout out to the Animal Challenge, and they're doing amazing. The videos that they put together are so funny, so funny. So if you need a little laugh, check some of them out. So, Ultimate Cross Training, that's why we are here today. We got a ton of people in. All right, good morning, guys, if you're just tuning in. Listen, what you need today is a chair. Now, you could use the couch or a softer chair, but I will tell you that you're going to get better stability in the movement if you have something like a kitchen chair. So I brought my nice little teal kitchen chair out here that I actually trash picked. This is a special chair from my neighborhood that they put out for trash, and I grabbed it. It was white at one point, and I spray painted this pretty teal color. So I thought, why not bring him out with me today? So we got the chair. That's it. The chair, and then of course a mat if you want some cushion underneath your back when we do some core, or underneath your knees when we do some push-ups. So we're going to start with a little warm-up, and then today we're focusing on our Tabata work. Even our little warm-up today is going to be slightly of a version of a Tabata, so we're going to work through that, and we are good to go. I'm going to hit my music. I have my music still inside just so it didn't get wet from the monsoon that's happening right now in our reality. But it's going to be fine because, you know, like, we get so hot when we work out. I'm like, a little rain? That might actually feel good, right? Right. All right, so let me go. I'm not going anywhere far. I'm just going to hit play on my music. So hang in there for a second. Hopefully it plays. Do we hear it? We hear it. All right, guys, you got your space? You got your space. We're gonna start. So it's time to rise. Rise up and easy march. Just a march, get that body up and moving. Take a deep breath. And if you're ready, we're gonna start a little jumping jack. Arms can be out, and you can tap your foot or your arms are going up and your feet are going wide. Up to you. Guys, if you're not ready, I get it. It is Monday morning, the day after Easter. But here we are. We're gonna pull it together, all together. Feet go wide, just squat down and up, drop and rise. So in this squat, weight is in the heels, chest is lifted. You're gonna pump those arms forward and sit back into that chair that right now we're not using. Now pulse to the bottom, 2, 3, 2, now drive up and rise again. We got it 2 more times. Sinking into those heels, keep that chest nice and proud. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Back to your march. Or this time, we add a little jog to it. Heels are coming up. Shake out through the shoulders. Wiggle out through the fingers. Now let's add some arms to it. Start to pump them. Remember that option. You're just here. Okay? this morning, really not feeling like it, right? I wanted to stay in bed all day on this rainy day. I thought, man, I'm so lucky to have you guys in my life because this right here is helping me get through it. You three together. We're going back to our jacks so you can tap out or you're jumping. Here we go now. Now you're hopping. This set, heels go down. It's a little squat jack. Bend into the knees, pumping through those heels as they hit the floor. Chest up, shoulders down, feet wide. Squat down and up. And lift. Here we go now. 4 more. Make sure you have that core turned on today. We're gonna sit low. We're gonna pulse. 3, 2, rise up. Again, as low as you can go. Booty goes back. Shoulders down. Chest lifted. Push through those heels. We're staying with this pulse. You got it 4 more times. 3, 2, watch your form. Make sure those knees are in line with the center of your foot, right? So they're not going out too wide, and you're also not buckling in. Again. All right, how about we do one more? Just one more. Back to the top. Jog or march it. Here we go now. Heels up this time. All right, now we're in it. Now we're feeling good. So we're gonna start the work. Our first set is 20 seconds on, 10-second recovery. We're gonna keep some of these moves going. First phase of our Tabata, still warm-up work, okay? But we're gonna start to pick up the intensity. It's gonna be 3 moves. The jack, the air squat, and then we're gonna add some push-ups in. Because my friends, you know how much I love some push-ups. Your option is to do them against the wall, okay? We're here if you need a little more recovery. Now we got 3 rounds for this first set. We're gonna start with the jacks. 20 seconds, tap out if you prefer. Go. Arms up, feet go wide. Keep this going. Low impact. Again, just that tap out. But you're working harder than you did in that first set. Here we go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Shake it. You get a 10-second recovery. Here we break. You can keep the foot moving. Take an inhale. Ready? Feet go wide, squat. Down and up. So it's still an air squat. Sitting back and down. And then rise. Down and up. Down and up. Option. Slower and smaller range. You decrease the intensity by decreasing the range. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Time. Option, guys, on the wall for the push-ups, or you're coming down to the floor. In 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Down and up. Let's warm up those arms. Hands in line with your chest. Elbows shoot back. Down and up. Down and up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second break. Easy rise, guys. Let me back up so you can see me. From the top, 2 more sets. Jack or tap. 3, 2, 1, go. In and out with those feet. Out, in, out, in. Think about warming up through the hips, through the glutes. The lower you get, the more you're gonna feel it in your quads. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then feel it. Heart rate is starting to rise. That Easter candy. See you later. All right, squat. Ready? Go. Down and up. Now that your body is warmer, see if you can sink a little lower. Now watch. When I drop, head up, chest up. Right? It is not this. This is bad for your low back. Also, you could pass out. 3, 2, 1. Time. Back to the floor. Knees, toes, or on the wall. Push-ups in 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Down and up. Option, knees, right? Sure. Option, tabletop. The smaller the range, the easier it is. 5, 4, 3, see y'all off the couch. I'm so proud of you. Here we go, jacks. Go for it. Feet wide. Heels tap. Now this round, your hardest one. Start to pick it up into true Tabata fashion. Working hard right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Recover. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat. Down and up. Weight in those heels. Guys, really start to pump the arms. My little guy just woke up. He's behind the camera in his robe and his undies. Squat. Squat. Keep on going. He brings me so much joy. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. You think I'm wacky, and I'm talking to nobody. But it's fine. I'm willing to think you. Let him think I'm wacky for all you guys. Ready? Push-ups. Go for it. Down and up. Make sure you keep your head in line with the spine. Remember your options. On your knees. In the tabletop. Abs in. Hands wide. Press through the palms and the fingers as you rise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, you get a little recovery. Longer than the 10 seconds. Now, that was our easiest round. So, I'm sorry that I'm not sorry for that, okay? All right, so we're gonna build now. Warm-up is over. Warm-up is over. We're gonna start building. So our first move in this next set, we have 3 jacks, 1 jump forward. Then we got a single leg deadlift with a knee drive, burpees, and dips. So you're gonna need your chair, okay? All right, find some space. Find some space. The first move looks like this. I'm gonna show you each move in the recovery, okay? So we're gonna keep each other moving. You have 3 jacks, and then you're gonna hop forward, hop back. So from the side, 3 jacks, 1 hop. You punch forward, you hop forward, hop back, repeat the jack. 20 seconds. Time to lift it up. In 3, 2, 1, go. 3, and then hop forward, hop back. Now I need you to make your double punch with control. You're out, you're in, okay? Hop forward, hop back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Single leg deadlift. Pick one leg. So we'll repeat next time. You're tipping at the hip. You're leaning down. You're trying to tap the floor. You're going to drive that knee up. Or you're just here. Join me when you're ready. Go. 20 seconds. One leg hits back. Option, guys. You tap. You drive. Right here's your option. Now if you can, knee up. Kick back. Hop. Single leg deadlift. You are hinging at the hip, driving that leg back, squeezing through the glute. 3, 2, 1. Time will get better. Next time will be better. We got burpees. You got a break. You're reaching, you're dropping, and you're reaching. Ready? Go. Hop is optional. There is no push-up. It's a reach, a squat, a plank, and lift. Keep that going. Reach, squat, plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's where we get our chair. Have a big sit. Get that beat? Let's catch it. Palms in. Elbows go back. Dip. Down and up. Now your booty close to the chair, right? Drop back. 90-degree bend in the arm. Push through the palms to rise. Option. Little tiny ones. Okay? Get low if you can. Down and up. Drive it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set. Round 1 done. 3 to go. All those same moves. Remember what leg you did in that single leg deadlift? We reverse. We change. 3 jacks. 1 hop. Let's go. Jack. Hop forward. Punch. Move off the spot. It's like a little bunny hop. Do it, right? We bunny hop, we punch forward because you're hopping like a bunny, but you're pushing the You're going the other side this time. You're reaching down. You're driving up. Hopping is optional. Go for it. Hop. Tip. Hop. 4. You're right here. This move is about power and control. Push back like a back kick. Use that glute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Guys, I'm getting sprayed by the rain. It's feeling good. Don't mind my hair, okay? Don't even. We're going for this. We got burpees. 3, 2, 1. Hop, drop. Option. Reach, squat, walk back, step wide, reach up. Keep this going. You don't have to jump. You can move through each movement without the hop, without the impact. 3, 2, 1, time. Oh, I love the chair work. Grab it. Have a seat. Take a breath. Palms down, chest up. Let's go. 20 seconds. Dip it in. Now this dip works the back of the arm and this tricep. If you were hating this, you can take it to the floor and just lean back. Okay, if you don't have a chair around, this is cool too, or so is this. Tabletop and then the elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set. You got 2 around. Check in with yourself. Heart rate should be pumping. If not, it's you that can change that. All right, we're going. Jabs. In 3, 2, 1. 3 times. Hop forward, hop back. Now, my good friend Amanda, she loves this move. She kills this move. And Amanda likes to add a tuck. Now, if you are like Amanda and you want to do the tuck, awesome. If not, you can always just do a knee. 3, 2, 1. Man, that tuck jump, that changed the intensity. We got one more set, so try it next time. Single leg deadlift. Pick your leg. Go for it. Reach for the floor. Drive the knee. Option. Reach down. Power through. Finding your balance. Where does that start? Balance starts at the core. Belly in, then push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Burpees. Get it together. You've got this. In 3, 2, 1. Hop and drop. As many as you can. That is the idea. The 20 seconds, you are in it to win it. Come on, pick it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. That's my favorite move. Have a seat. Inhale. Exhale. We dip. Ready? Go. Down and up. Press those elbows back. Now, dig your heels into the floor. Squeeze and drive. Now you can speed it up. You got 10 seconds. Down and up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. We got one more set. Rise up. Are you going to be Amanda today? Are you? Maybe one set left. 3 jacks, 1 jump, go. Go for it. Hop it out, hop it up. 4. We got that tuck. Optional. Knees coming up to the chest. Heels stay close in as you pull the knees up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish it, finish it. Okay. Single leg deadlift. Pick it, drop it. Option, powering through or no hop. Abs tight. Pin forward, swing the knee. You can reach if you choose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Burpees. Suck it up, buttercup. In 3, 2, 1. Hop and drop. We've to burpees. Give it all you got. Come on, Monday. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Let's dip it. Have a seat. In 3, 2, 1. Drop. Down and up. Chest up. Heels down. And get a little deeper in your range. Drop. Rise. Push it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Recover. Recovery. Okay. Guys, are you having as much fun as I am? We're going to keep on going, okay? We have a second set. Same idea. We got 4 new moves. 20 seconds on, 10-second recovery. You still need your chair, okay? So, you need some space to take a lateral step each way. So make sure you have that, okay? Push out some of the toys, push away the Easter stuff so you can step side. The first move is a step and a reach, or it's a step and a jump. Jumping is always optional. I'm going to give you more option as we go, okay? Then we get a lunge off the chair, mountain climbers off the chair, and then a bridge off the chair. So one move to move side to side and lift the heart rate. Everything else is off the chair. When we're on the chair, we're thinking about power. Okay? Power. We're in. 20 seconds. First move. Lateral step. Hop up. In 3, 2, 1. Step, reach. Step, reach. Step, reach. Keep this going. Option. Squat, reach, or squat. Lift off the heels and power through. If you lift off the heels, you're working those calf muscles and your balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Now, face away from your chair. Put one foot on. Optional, okay? You can do the lunge with the foot on the ground. What it is, a lunge down and then rise. So, single leg on the floor. You're getting a nice stretch in that hip flexor as you drop. Join me if you haven't already. We got 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember what leg you did. We're moving on. Hands on the chair. Find your plank in this recovery. Body long. All we're doing, holding into the chest. You can run, or you're right here. Drive it. Go. 20 seconds. Pull it together. When you're driving, you're crunching, guys. Belly button to spine, crunch. Every time you pull your knee up, it's towards the chest. Squeeze tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Have a seat on the ground. Feet are going on the chair. Lay on down. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Hands down. Lift the heels or lift the cheeks. On the heels, pulse. Lift and lift. Balancing on the shoulders. Sculpting your booty. Get it up. Go. You're here. 15 more seconds. Dig in. Your heels press down. You should feel the burn. Here. Option. You're on the floor and you're right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So that was the first set. Take your time getting up. Guys, I am soaking wet. Feels good. Anybody else out there outside with me? Acting a fool? All right. I like it. We're going to move on. Second round. Back to that step and block. In 3, 2, 1. Step hop. Now listen, guys. Option. Instead of just step, hop side. Hop side. Get some range in that lateral jump, okay? Then it's vertical. Lateral, vertical. Think about sport agility training. Can you get out of the way? And then rise on up. Keep on going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cut. Other leg goes on the chair. When here, right? Even weight between those feet. If you have one foot up, you really feel it in that standing leg. Awesome stretch for the hip flexor. 3, 2, 1, time. Okay, down climbers off the chair. It's good, guys. If you don't like the chair, do it against the wall, pulling the knees up, or you can just be here, pull a knee. In 3, 2, 1, go. Soften up through those elbows, right? You don't want to lock out your joints ever. Keep that core strong. Now speeding up. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Putting time. Lay down. I really like this one. I really do. Hands are going down. Back is going down. Bouncing on the shoulder blades. Lift the hips. Go for it. Push it up and down. Gaze straight up to the ceiling. Head in line with the shoulders, the spine, all in one. Squeeze those cheeks. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. You're 2 rounds. Now we start to pick it up. We're stepping, we're walking. In 3, 2, 1, go. You know all the moves this time. All of them. The only thing holding you back is you. So dig down deep. Push through. Bigger step, bigger jump. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other foot is going on. Don't lose track. I've already lost track what leg I am on. We're gonna go for this one. Ready? Down and up. Guys, make sure when you lunge down, this front knee does not go over the toe, right? It can be in line with the center of the foot, but it's not popping forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Over and hold your plank. If you're not liking the chair, hit the floor for these mountain climbers. Flatten out through your body. In 3, 2, 1. Drive the knee to the chest. Come on. Pick it up. Pick it up. Faster. Faster. I hear your feet moving. Keep it going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay down on the ground. Feet on the chair. Gaze up, palms down. Lift those hips and go. Pulse. Squeeze the cheeks. Deep breath here. Now just a little higher. Yes, you can. Lift and drop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop down. Guys, we have one more set. Hop on up. Last one. Best one. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Go. Lateral jump. Vertical jump. Option. Step. Reach. Step. Reach. But speed it up. Come on, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then do the other leg. Here we go. One foot on, one foot off. Hop away. So your knees in line with that angle. Ready? Drop. Single squat, single leg squat, or we call it a lunge off the chair. You can do this. Square that chest up, raise that core, down and up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step off, flip over, plank, hold, recover. Mountain climbers, as many as you can get in. In 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to chest, head in line with spine. No stopping here. Drive it, push it. Your body 2-minute challenge to end this hard stuff. What the move is, a bear crawl forward, a bear crawl back. We rise. You either have 2 power knees, right, left, or you got Amanda's feet, remove that tough jump, okay? Okay. I know some other people that love a tough jump, other than Amanda, but you know, Amanda is something super special. So, if you don't know Amanda, pretend you are Amanda, and engage the core and love on that tough jump. It'll help work your core and get that heart rate lifted, okay? All right, let me show you the move from this side. The bear crawl is down here. You are crawling like a bear, forward, then back, then you keep your feet wide. You're gonna rise up, tuck jump, come back down, bear crawl forward and back. You choose how far you go. Option, guys, is the baby crawl forward, baby crawl back, feet wide, rise up, power right knee, power left knee, drop back down. Now, the 2-minute challenge has rules. We have rules here. In this 2 minutes when you're working, you are giving us all you have. The team, all you've got. When you need a break, you take it, you recover, you stop moving, you take a couple breaths, then you push through again until you hear time on that 2 minutes. So find some space, okay? I'm gonna go forward and back for the first set. Okay, so come down. Hands down. We're using your core in this bear crawl, okay? Okay. 2 minutes to start. In 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Crawling forward as far as you want. And then back. Feet hop wide. Hop up. Knees up. Crawl forward. Crawl back. Hop wide. Knees up. Guys, option. Crawl forward. Crawl back. Rise up. Knee. Squat. Drop down. When you're crawling on your knees, brace that core, move a little slower so you don't end up hurting the knee. If you're off the knee, you're hovering over the floor as you crawl. Knees about an inch above, okay? Guys, that was 40 seconds. You are killing it. 1 minute and 20 seconds to go so we hit the floor with core work and cool down. All you've got. Push it.
I see oceans.
Knees go out wide. Drive them in as you rise. If you need that break, 1 minute down. 1 minute to go. Come on. Push it. You can alternate between the baby crawl and the bear crawl and the power knee whenever you need it. 40 seconds.
We're working on it.
Okay. You got that break. You need it. Take it. 30 seconds to go. All in. Are you with me? Drop and go. Hop it or power knee. Keep it going. 15. Push it. Ay, ay, ay.
I see oceans.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Recover. Breathe. How does my hair look? Hot. Oh man. All right. Guys, drop the mat. Shake that off. Naps down. Take a breath. I'm just gonna turn the music down a little bit. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Hit the floor. All right, Jess. All right, Taylor. Thanks for joining me, ladies. We're hitting the ground. Man, listen, if that wasn't enough for you, what do? You tune in again and you repeat it. Pick a set, do it again, okay? We're short on time. We can only be together for live for so long because then I lose you, right? Distractions happen. You gotta get back to life, helping your kids with Schoolology. So give me 5 more minutes if you can. Lay on down. All right, fingertips and temples. Elbows wide. Crunch up, slow. Up, and then down. Now let's talk about this crunch. Low back hits the floor, and it never rises. Chin to chest, elbows wide. Belly button to spine. Lift up, and pulse. 3, 2, now drop with control. You want to make sure you are just not crunching with the neck and the arms. You are crunching using your core. Guys, you gotta use your body. Use your body. Squeeze the cheeks, reach, and then drop. Shoulders down and back. You got it 2 more times. Crunch it up. Last one. Upper body stays down. Lift the feet. Up, and then tap down. Now make sure when you do this, lower back doesn't arch, okay? Again, lift, up, tap. Option, not going all the way back down, you're right here. Let's do 4 more. Lift, and tap. Decrease the intensity by decreasing the range. 2 more. Lift, and then tap. Guys, we're putting the upper body with the lower body. See, crunch, up and hold. Now drop down slow. Do that again. Lift and crunch, then drop. Abs of steel here. Work it. You got it 1 more time. Remember that pulse? Triple. Let's crunch. 3, 2, 1. Tap down. Chin to chest. Breathe. Now, your goal here is to get your shoulder blades lifted up off the floor. You have it 4 more times. Reach it. 3, 2, 1. Tap. Your gaze straight through the knees. We got 1 more move on the back, and then we're going to flip it over to end it. Cross crawl. Tap the toe. Tap and twist. Bringing your opposite shoulder towards the knee. Elbows still stay wide. Tap and twist. Option, extend the leg, twist bigger. Keep this going. Nice and strong. 4, 3, that beat is rising. That means we speed it up. Let's go. Twist, twist. You can go off that beat. Your core should feel the work. Take a deep breath. Option, right here, right? A little lower if you can. Let's finish strong. 8 seconds, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug the knees in. Lengthen out through that body. Point the toes. Reach the arms. Inhale. All right, hug the knees into the chest. Roll it up. Flip it over. Forearms are going down. This is it. Then we stretch. Hands down, elbows down. You can have your knees on the ground. Right? You can. Sure you can, or you lift it up. Hold it. You see what feet are doing? They could not resist that beat. Guys, I'm totally losing it. If you want to march with me, do it. If not, you're holding right here, or you're here, or you can drop a knee. It can be this and this. You choose. Squeeze the cheeks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Freeze. Hold the hover. Drop to the knees. Belly down. All the way. Fingertips to temples. Toes stay on the ground. Lift the chest. Up and down. Work the back. Hands can be down. Lift, drop. Toes stay down. 8 more. Lift, drop. 7. Squeeze to those shoulder blades. Brace the abs. Protect the low back. 2 more. Now up and hold. Freeze. Pulse. Lift. Lift. Palms can be down. Keep it going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Oh, we made it. Knees down. Push the hips back over those heels. child's pose. Take a breath. Drop that chest down towards the floor. Open up through the knees. Now slowly walk your hands in underneath the shoulders. Rise up. Right foot. Let's bring it forward. It's a hip flexor stretch, so lean in. Now you should have felt this stretch in that lunge with one foot up. Shoulders back and down. We're gonna reach this back arm. Whatever leg is back, arm reaches up. Reach for the ceiling. Feel a nice stretch down the side body. Bend that arm. Grab it. Tricep stretch. Now if you didn't get enough of those dips, feel to do another round. Okay? You have my permission. Push the hips back. Hands go down. Chest drops to the knee. Feel a nice stretch in the back of the leg. Slowly rise. Other side. Hip flexor stretch to start. Drop in. Back arm lifts up. Oh, fantastic. The Rain's picking up. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Rain. Oi! Bend the arm. Give it a tug. Nothing like a little ultimate cross training in the pouring rain. Seriously. It added to my balance challenge with a wet floor. Safety first. It really wasn't that wet over here. Push back, hands down. Chest drops. Feel a nice stretch in the back of the leg. Great, now the wind's picking up. Slowly, slowly, slowly rise. We're gonna take this front foot. We're gonna step on it. So put it down, rise. Find your balance, grab a foot, hold. Knees together, arm can go out for balance. Shoulders lift up, back and down. We did some jumping, we did a lot of squatting. We gotta stretch out the quads, right? Right. My little guy's been wearing shorty shorts. He's saying he's letting his quads breathe. Also cute. Switch. He's either in his robe and his undies or shorty shorts. You know, it's such a treat living at the Command House. Deep breath. Did you switch legs? Knees together, chest up. You got one more stretch when you're out of here. Feet go wide. One arm across that chest. Give it a little tug. Now let's review. We started today talking about that animal challenge. If you do not know what I'm talking about, scroll through Facebook. It's right at the top. It's a link that is held up at the top. So you can easily find it. Switch. It's something you can do fun with your kids. You can learn all these animal facts. Really, really interested. Okay? And just for the adult in you, for that competitiveness, that competitive spirit that you miss out on with all the sport and the March Madness not happening, you can find it there, right? Who is gonna win? It's not the chinchilla, but it will be some other animal. Guys, big breath, reach up, inhale. Exhale, lower down. So, from me to you, and from my little friend, my little piggy friend, we would like to say, continue to be humble, continue to be kind to one another, and until next time, guys, peace out.